A Tale of Two Birds. There once lived a bird and two newborn babies in a forest. They had missed a tall, shady tree under the mother bird took care of a little ones day and night. One day, there was a big storm. There was thunder and lightning, rain and wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the bird he also came down. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately, the baby birds, a strong wind blew them away to the another side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. I landed outside a Rishi's ashram a little distance away. This past, the baby birds became the big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon, the king lost his way, did know where he was. He rode for a long time, till he came to the another side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under the tree. Suddenly, he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up! There's someone under the tree. Come and take a jewels at his horse. Hurry, or else you slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree, which he was sitting. He also heard noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got on his horse and rode away as fast it could. Soon, he came to a clearing and it looked like an ashram. It was a Rishi's ashram. The king tied at his horse and sat down as it should. Suddenly, he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. The Rishi will be back soon. There's some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. This one looks like the other bird outside the cave. He said himself aloud, "You are right, sir," answered the bird. "He is my brother, but he was made friends with robbers. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore." Just then the Rishi entered the ashram. "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while. Then you can share my food." The king told the Rishi the story of the two birds and how it had behaved so differently, thought they looked so alike. "The forest is full of surprise," he said. The holy man smiled and said, "After all, one is known by the company one keeps. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. This one has repeated what he was always heard. He welcomed people to the ashram. Now, come inside and rest. I tell you more about this place and these birds." That's all. Thank you.